Beautiful church set. Fuck, my ass is soaked. What is that here? Lisger. Lisger. Elgin. Oh, it's getting nasty out here. Ice rain started it up again. Sure what that is. Oh, shit. No, can't see the plaque. Beautiful stuff around here. Ottawa's a very nice city, normally. Heritage Building, Nelson Mandela Square. Nelson Mandela Square. What else we got? 160 other. City of Ottawa, City Hall in the background there. Oh, whoa! Slippery out here, almost went ass over tea kettle. Oh man, better step lively here. Cold and wet. Well, this is the Ontario Court of Justice, 161 Elgin. Try to avoid ending up in there if I can help it. What else we got? That's a cool building. There's a lot of cool buildings around here. Really cool. Holy fuck, am I chilly? Oh. I don't like to film people unnecessarily. That's a really nice church again. For some reason I always find myself around churches. I'm drawn to churches, I guess. Whew. Find out what church. So that's Laurier that I was walking down earlier today. Just gonna ask these guys where the exclusion zone ends. I'm gonna head home. Okay. That's Confederation Park. That's the canal. That bridge there goes over the canal. Can't see anything. Oh yeah, this is good. Oh. Hey, not bad. Do you mind the camera? Or the camera's on, just so you know. So where the exclusion zone, like, it extends how far this way?
I don't know. This part's going to be blocked off, though.
Yeah, like Confederation?
Yeah, but
yeah.
If you're just going for a stroll, you're more than welcome to just take down here.
Yeah, I don't really need, I'm cold and I've been out a lot. Like, I heard that, like, the market's open again and...
Yeah, I think a lot of stores are starting to open
Yeah,
up.
like the Bollywood Market, they said, I guess it's out of the exclusion zone. OPS released a statement there earlier today. It was a little confusing, but I'm just trying to get the lay of the land. They cordoned off my regular McDonald's, so I had to go on a search.
Right?
Yeah, I had to go on a search.
Yeah.
What about the war memorial and that still blocked off?
That's all going to be blocked off.
Yeah, no idea how long, eh? So way calmer. Like, it feels a lot better out here tonight, even than yesterday. Yesterday was fucking eerie. Yeah. Okay, I appreciate it. Like, I've run into a lot of you guys like your OPP, are you? Yeah, along the lines there, and like you guys have, I mean, I've had great experiences with most of the police, except for during the nastiness, let's call it. But like, there's some really good guys along there, and like, you know, during the day they were smiles and stuff and talking, and like that goes a long way.
Yeah, those autographs, for sure.
We got Matt Karkner, Chris Neal, Chris Phillips, and then like a couple of the vets there down from the memorial.
And is there a number on the back of the jersey?
No, not on this one. Not on this one. I have an Alfie jersey, and I got a couple. I got a Heritage Chris Neal jersey. Chris Phillips, he owns a pub, and I don't know if you guys are from Ottawa or not, but he opened a brew pub here, and like they do a lot of work at the Children's Hospital here. My daughter spent a lot of time in there. They're good, so they gave me a jersey and a little pink one for my daughter. And They're good guys. Yeah, good guys. Yeah. Most of the hockey guys are. Like, they're not like... Anyways, I'll get out of your hair. I appreciate your help. Yeah.
Right on. Take care, brother.
Yeah, that goes a long way. I'll make sure this gets up too. Cheers. Okay. Watch, that's a deep one. Oh. Yeah, I tried to warn you. I guess I'll go this way. Have a good night. Look at all those flashing lights everywhere. For a guy with ADHD, this makes me squirrely. So, try to zoom in here a little bit. Be able to get back there one of these days, I hope. Yep. Hi. My hands are frozen. I need a GoPro. At least one GoPro. I need a GoPro to strap to myself. Like on my chest or something, so it just points wherever my body does. Or maybe on my head. Who's got a GoPro? Tell me your thoughts. But I also want one that I can stick on a stick. Or one of these gimbly wimblies or whatever. And also, are they waterproof? They got waterproof ones, I imagine. That would be cool. Stick it out on the sea-doo or in the lake or whatever. I was pretty upset that my DSLR broke there not that long before all this popped off. Actually, the day before the Gatineau Air Show, weirdly enough. It was an old one though, older DSLR. A good one, but the lenses are still good. My telephoto lens and my other lenses are fine, so I'll upgrade to one that takes proper video. And I can do everything with it. Get a proper gimbal. Anybody that's into that shit, what am I looking at for a new DSLR? I wonder. I don't want to go cheap though, like. I had a Sony A350, so I guess I'd probably stick with Sony so I can use my lenses. I imagine they're still interchangeable. Okay. Metcalf. I destroyed my Google Pixel 4 too, and I cracked the shit out of this phone and my backup phone, so I'm gonna have to upgrade a lot of things. That's Checkpoint Charlie, we'll call it. Checkpoint Charlie. I like alliterations. Oh, Ottawa Public Library. I didn't know that was here. Is this the main branch? Please use Metcalf Street. Access and print your proof. Oh! Lucky. The library will remain closed until further notice. Human Needs Task Force. Take some pictures of this. Take a few pictures of this actually. The library does a lot of weird stuff that you wouldn't think. If you're looking for, like you can rent movies, I think, from there for free, or like audiobooks, or not audiobooks, but anyways, there's a lot of shit. You can even get passes to the museum there for free. Like you rent, like take out a pass. Go to the Ottawa Library website if you're interested in museums or you have kids or whatever, and check that out. As long as you have a library card, then you can. They only have a certain number there, but as long as you plan, you can whatever, call up the library or go online and you can get yourself a pass to the museum. The museums used to be free on Thursdays, but I don't think they do that anymore. It got expensive to bring the family, so. There's a beautiful science and technology museum that's been completely renovated and reopened here. I haven't been yet, but when I was a kid, that was my favorite one. One of my favorites. A lot of hands-on cool stuff there. Then they've got the Nature Museum here. It's like an old castle-looking building. It was sinking into the ground right after I built it. It was sinking. They did a shit ton of work to that building. Insulate it properly and modernize it. There's a documentary about it. Pretty cool. Then there's a glass part they added to the front with a giant moon in it. And an owl exhibit going on. I heard it's cool. We also have the National War Museum here that's not, well, it might be 10 or 15 years old now, but it's really cool. It's in the background of some of my videos the other day. Parliament down at the end there. Oh, look, those guys snuck through scot-free. They could have made it through. The blood officer was distracted. See, so it seems like there's a lot less stress, a lot less people on edge right now. It actually feels a lot more normal. Well, normal is a good relative statement, obviously. Oh, unsecured door. Oh, unsecured garage. Someone called the city and let them know. Wellington Market. Oh my god, my hands are chilly. Probably should have worn gloves. I wasn't expecting to go on such a trek. I just wanted to get some food and I got distracted by the fire trucks. Squirrel, 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 squirrel. Oh goodness. Big Expectations is over there behind those flags. 300 Laurier. 269. Holy fuck. God. Oh. Holy jumping, that's chilly. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna go up one more block and then 2 south and we're good to go. Oh. Ooh, 3 of them. If it wasn't for the circumstances, that actually kind of looks cool. I quite like the black and whites, like the style or whatever. The OPP all have black and whites now. Pretty cool looking. If you're into that kind of thing. It's going to be weird when this is all said and done. I'm very torn. What a dichotomy. I've been one to support the police for the most part. I mean, I don't blindly support anyone. I'm more of a let's deal with individuals on individual basis, but as a whole, the police are normally pretty good. They're not running the streets, hunting people or whatever. Normally. There's a tax office again. I don't know a ton about crypto and Bitcoin and all that crap, but I got myself, somebody sent me a link. I got a crypto wallet now. I don't know if the government knows how to seize that yet. Weird stuff has happened with my phone, and my TikTok video stopped uploading this morning. Everything else works. I don't have a notification, but I can't post. So I don't know if that's a ban or shadow ban. I tried to post a Jocko Willing video of him reading, how's that guy's name? Patrick Henry, Liberty or Death, the speech by Patrick Henry. We got a community guidelines violation for dangerous and violence. So apparently Jocko Willing, former U.S. Navy Marine, or SEAL, the U.S. Navy SEAL, task unit commander, task unit bruiser that fought in the Battle of Ramadi. He's got a podcast that's got to be one of the most popular podcasts in the world at this point, after Rogan. Incredibly smart man, one of the best leaders. Post his video and you get accused of violence. Anybody who's ever listened to Jocko would know that he's completely capable of violence. He's a dangerous man, but he's a fucking good man, a moral man, and he's under control. Those Navy SEAL guys, well, not just SEALs, Army, whatever. Marines, Canadian Forces, doesn't matter. Some of the most capable and good people I've ever met. idiots in every bunch, obviously, right? But let's go to Canada. What do we need courts for if the government just does whatever the hell they want? Oh, I'm almost home. Bunker time. Bunker time. There's my local church. St. Andrew's Basilica. On Kent Street, Kent and Nepean in Ottawa. It's a beautiful basilica here. It's been closed almost entirely. Like, it opened for a little bit in the summer. They were doing 7 a.m. masses every week and then doing Sunday masses all day, but like, it was closed on Easter. It's been closed since the truckers came. It's still closed. There's the Blessed Virgin. Christopher, my name is Chris, like Christopher. Pretty sure that has some symbolism there. The Christ of her being the Virgin, the Blessed Virgin. Not trying to start any fucking religious arguments here, obviously. Everyone's entitled to their own beliefs and their own views. Well, so long as those views don't fucking hurt everybody else. And you know, that would be an issue. This Hudson Park place is pretty cool too. 230. It's like, look at the fucking ground here. Ooh. It's like, I don't know if you can see the architecture here, but it looks like something out of a cartoon, like a Gotham, like Gotham if it wasn't evil yet. Or like Captain America era maybe. Or Catch Me If You Can, that movie, if it was a fucking comic book. Pretty cool. There's a sister or whatever, sister or brother tower like this too. Oh fuck. It's deadly out here. Deadly out here, eh? Man. Less deadly than the heavy horse though. Gotta keep my both feet on the ground like I'm doing the fucker. You know that, what's that thing where they, speed walking. Speed walking in the Olympics. Gotta keep both feet on your ground at the same time at all times. But there's a good like centimeter of ice on some stuff. You Americans are non-metric types, that's like I don't know, quarter inch. It's 2.5 centimeters in an inch. Oh, uh-oh, people know my address now. Well, get the hell in and warm up.